those reversible?
Oh my god.
What?
The slits just line up with these fucking. Otherwise, they would not fit. Barely, bro.
Yeah,
It's totally. I think the orientation was supposed to actually be this way, but I don't know. I think it works though.
no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That or just. Yes, you.
Yeah, I think that's reversible. Okay.
Motherboard. Yeah. Jeez. Fight. Thick ass clean. Okay, here we go. It's chunky, dude. Well,
Oh yeah.
if I ever need to replace the RAM, it's gonna be a bitch, but it's okay. I'm okay with this. Okay, the left in there. Nice. Okay, now I just need to.
Now I have my. Oh, makes sense.
Okay. Here. At least the stand-ups are pre-installed. I don't really like the old days where you have to flip the stands off on your own. You figure out the orientation of your motherboard.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
That's all I don't know. This is not fit. This is the wrong screw. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Someone back there. What? I think I had to reorientate this. No, it's really fine. Could I just use 3 motherboard screws instead of 4?
That's what I need.
Oh, it only has 4 motherboard screws? Really? Interesting. Alright. I'll look this up. Why isn't that screwing in? Oh, that's not good. One of my heat sinks is slightly bent.
Heatsink, please?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Not that it matters. I mean, kind of, but not really.
Does it?
A little bit. Airflow. These are all screws? Doesn't really Normal rounded has 4. Yeah, that's the only one that has 4. Why the hell is it not working?
Okay. Reset switch.
Alright. Take this motherboard out.
Just take that back out.
I don't know what's going on. It should be the right screw. It's the only screw that they gave me.
Okay, reset in. Power switch is the top 10. And reset.
I feel like I don't know. It feels like I'm forcing it. I don't want to threat. I don't want to.
That's nice.
What is this for? The spacers? For what?
I wish they would make those little power button and light I/O
Alright,
things.
good. You tell me if these are the right screws. I think this has to be because it's okay. So it says here. Oh my god, I just lost.
Come on, don't you have like one that have to take?
Yeah, sorry. This configuration, blah blah blah. Just give me the freaking. Okay. These are it. This has to be it. Times 4. And then everything else? This,
For those?
yeah, that's the right screw, right? And then. So
Well, that's it.
yeah. There's all the way that they're not. But like when I tie the thread in here, it feels like it should, because that's what it says to use. So it says to use. Yeah, right here. Is that right? Times 4?
No,
No?
because it's these ones.
Eights? Ah,
It says they're for mounting, well, they're all for mounting.
yeah, it says mounting